How to grow lemon and other citrus from leaves. 1. Select healthy leaves, pick mature and damaged leaves from a citrus tree's upper part. 2. Prepare cuttings. Use clean scissors to cut leaves, ensuring each has a stem portion. 3. Rooting hormone optional. Dip cut ends in rooting hormone to speed up rooting. 4. Plant cuttings. Place them in small pots with well-draining soil, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. 5. Ideal conditions. Put pots in a warm, bright spot with indirect sunlight. 6. Watering. Keep soil moist, but not soggy, and check regularly. 7. Humidity. Maintain high humidity by covering pots or using a humidity dome. 8. Root development. Roots should emerge within weeks, gently tug to check. 9. Transplanting. Move cuttings to larger pots once roots develop fully. 10. Care for young plants. Provide indirect sunlight and regular watering, and fertilize as needed. 11. Hardening off optional. If transplanting outdoors, gradually expose plants to outdoor conditions. 12. Transplanting outdoors optional. Plant in a sunny, well-drained spot once frost risk passes. Following these steps will help you successfully grow citrus trees from leaves, expanding your citrus orchard for future fruit harvests.